Did you capture it?
Yeah. Now what?
Some told me they should have cut it down so it fell.
Yeah, I know, really. Unless there's like a bunch of these other houses there too. How is that Mitsubishi gonna like drive around that? There's another crane.
This is rural China, in the Yunnan province. Someone just cut down a tree right in front of us.
I bet I look fantastic. Angela. I last showered 2 days ago.
Oh no.
Take off the